fucking wind. Back to work. Back to work. Back to work I go. What's up everybody? Black Dragonrider here. And today I want well, it's morning, even though it looks night. I want to talk to you about one stupid thing when I went to ASDA to get some stuff repaired from ASDA, from the dry cleaners. And I kind of like said to myself, you know, that's really stupid for the price. I was getting this repaired from dry cleaners in ASDA. Guess how much it cost to just get that strip bit back to its original place? It's just a stupid price. It cost £15 to get it repaired. 15 freaking quid to get it repaired. I'm like looking at this woman thinking, hold on a second, to repair that, you're trying to say it costs £15 to get it repaired? I was like, no thank you, no way. Yeah, so it cost me £15 to get it repaired. So I went to the other place, to get it repaired. And I says, how much it cost to get this repaired? And the woman says, £8. I went, £8? That's more like it. 8 quid, that's more like it. So I'm like telling this woman, I said, at ASDA, they was like charging me 15 quid. And she was like, just to repair this. I went, yeah. And she was like, wow, just to repair this. I said to myself, that is just a joke. I could have gone out and buy myself a new one, but I said to myself, what's the point of buying myself a new one when I can get it repaired? Yeah, I just couldn't believe it. 15 quid just to repair that. Soon Rex needs to go back to the mechanic shop. She needs to get some new sprockets. And also I've got her a new chain. And also a new front light as well. Because this light is shite. Yeah, it's actually shite. Especially when you go at the countryside. So alright guys, I'm going to end this video right here. So I'll be talking to you later, and Happy New Year once again. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye.